at, there's a black maid, and Dido can't help feeling awkward when she sees her. But the maid is understanding and even teaches Dido how to take care of her afro-textured hair. In the afternoon, they visit the Ashfords and Elizabeth gets to spend time with James. Oliver offers his company to Dido too, ignoring James's protest, although James begins keeping his racist comments to himself when he realizes Elizabeth won't take them well. Elizabeth is a little worried that Dido is doing it on purpose to defy William, but actually, Dido has a lovely time with Oliver, and when evening falls and the party starts, Oliver expresses his wishes to court Dido properly, which Dido doesn't know how to take. Later, Dido and Oliver bump into John, and having both men seeing each other makes things too awkward, so John decides to leave. When the fireworks start, Oliver is distracted by them and Dido takes a chance to go after John, who takes her into a dark spot to avoid being seen, although Elizabeth notices them anyway. Dido apologizes to Oliver for losing the apprenticeship since it's her fault, but Oliver's simply glad to hear she's trying to keep up with the news instead of going back to being sheltered. He and the other law students are trying to fight for human rights and to appeal against insurance companies accepting people as cargo, which would be the first step into slavery abolition. Dido wants to keep discussing the subject, but soon the others will notice she's gone. Thus John sends her back after telling her which tavern he gets together with the other students at if she ever wants to come by. Meanwhile, Lady Ashford is trying to arrange the marriage of Elizabeth and James with Lady Mansfield and Mary, but she calls it off when she hears Elizabeth doesn't have a single penny. Furious, now she wants Oliver to concentrate on courting Dido. The next morning, Dido is extra aware of the black maid and asks William if she's a slave. William assures her she isn't because she is free and getting paid a salary, so Dido counterattacks by asking about the Zong case and calling it a fraud. Angry, William refuses to take a side on the case, and Lady Mansfield cuts the conversation short, calling it too vulgar for breakfast. Later, William is approached by Oliver's father, who reminds him of his duty as a neutral judge and wants to make sure William's love for Dido won't get in the way